What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you or tell you how you can make $3,000 in a day, week, or month with a very little investment. You could even start with $25. Hell, you could even start with $10. Whatever. Um, so what happened was I've been just searching ways to make money online. You know, just ways to make a good income online. So I recently, in the past week, um, have bought a PlayStation 3 controller with buying Amazon, gift card codes and applying them to my Amazon account so I could cover, the shipping because I already had enough to buy the controller. So this was a little over a week ago, and the point what I'm trying to say is um today I woke up and I remembered um that there there are websites that buy your gift cards. For example, you could sell one that you don't want, like a $50 gift card, and they'll give you like, $45, maybe even a little more. So I was thinking about this. I woke up today. I went to bed pretty late, around 6 a.m., because I was just watching strange videos on YouTube because I like that. It entertains me. So, like mysterious stuff. So, I woke up around 11:30, and it wasn't until like maybe a little bit after 12 that I was starting to think for some reason um, about finding ways to make money. And immediately, one of the things that hit me, probably the only thing that hit me, was, can I make money buying and selling gift cards, like gift card codes, not the physical copy. I mean, you could sell the physical gift cards, but you know, obviously it would take time for someone to receive it, and for you to get your money. So I searched online, and I had a feeling people were probably making a lot of money buying and selling gift card codes. So I looked into it. I pretty much searched um, how how can I make money buying and selling gift card codes, hoping that I would actually receive, you know, a good enough result, you know, for that search. And I don't know how long it took me to find it. It was probably immediately. I found a website where this person, I don't know, could be a could be a woman. Um, this person buys gift cards, gift cards that are $100. She buys them, or he or she buys them for $75. And you're not gonna do this buying it from a regular website. The only way you'd probably be able to do this is buying it from a site like eBay or Craigslist or uh, other websites like that. Who knows which websites? Maybe there are even websites that you know that they will charge you a very small fee to buy and sell your gift cards. Who knows? But um, the point is, if you can buy $100 gift cards for pretty much three-quarters of the price, then you can make a large profit. Now, obviously, it's going to depend on how much your your investment is in the beginning, but if you can somehow get your hands on uh, a few $100s and you're able to buy, Amazon gift card codes or whatever gift cards you want and resell them. So you could buy $100 gift card for, who knows, maybe $60 to $80, right? Um, so if you can buy one for $75, $70, whatever, and there are websites that you can work with that will give you $95 back for that. Okay, so um, but those websites will pretty much send you a check. So I would suggest buying and selling gift cards, um, like doing both, buying them from Craigslist or eBay and selling them on Craigslist or eBay. Because the thing is, they're digital codes, right? They're digital. They're digital codes. So you can use PayPal and you can say, hey, you can wire me the money by PayPal and you can receive your payment within 5 to 10 minutes for each gift card that you buy or sell. Or you could even um, buy multiple gift cards from the same seller, so that way you don't have to go through so many you know people selling them. But whatever, you know. Um, so the key is buying gift cards at a good discounted price. Buying gift card codes at a good discounted price. Um, Now I've heard in the past that people were getting scammed, so just look up at the best sites that would probably work. I probably wouldn't recommend Craigslist. Who knows? Check their reviews or whatever from people saying if they're legit or whatever. Um, so I took this information. I took this way of thinking, and I said, okay, what if I start with $500? I buy five $100 gift cards for, let me see, for $375 and I sell them for $475, making $100 profit. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you my, idea right here in video and try to make this short because I don't have much storage on my phone. So, by the way, remember, if you buy and sell using PayPal, each gift card you buy and sell will take $5 to $10 total before you receive your money in your account. So if you buy five $100 gift cards for $375, sell them for $95 each, you can make a profit of $100, and that would take you 30 to 50 minutes if you take 5 or 10 minutes doing so for each gift card. Um, and just for the rest of these, I'll just let you guys read what I got here. You know, feel free to pause the video if you need to. Now, as you can see, some of these, like for example, you can buy 24 $100 gift cards, and for $1,800 and have $5 left, and you can just save that and not invest it. But there are other times where you can buy like 30 $100 gift cards for $2,250, and you can invest that $30, get a $50 gift card, and make more. But this is another way right here. This is to save money that you can use yourself for whatever, and also invest the other money to keep making more. So you're pretty much making money two ways.